Hey guys, Gino here. Straight off the bat, I'm sure you guys are probably wondering why I'm showing you a random screenshot of some random bodybuilder's Instagram account. Well, the answer is, today I want to show you guys how social media, and specifically Instagram, have changed the game of the fitness industry. We're going to look at how social media is helping grow the fitness industry, as well as how it's affected the marketing tactics of these exercise and nutrition websites. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. As we all know, Instagram and Twitter have pretty much kick-started the use of hashtags, and pretty much defined how they're used. Today, these pound signs, with a word or phrase that come after them, are used to thread together posts or pictures that contain mostly the same concept. Now I'm sure you're thinking, great Gino, but what does this have to do with the fitness industry? I'm glad you asked. So if you type in hashtag FitFam on Instagram, which is a pretty popular hashtag nowadays, there are over 88 million posts. And if we click on that, and we can scroll through and see how many posts alone just have to do with fitness. You got nutrition here, some motivating pictures over here, and I'm sure if we scrolled through the rest of the 88 million, we would see more and more. Now even a much broader word that you wouldn't really associate with fitness, such as progress, over 20 million posts. I would bet over half of them have to do with fitness. Progress pictures that show people's bodies changing. As you can see through these posts, fitness is becoming something like a trend that everyone wants to be a part of. People see their friends, their family members, their coworkers, or even strangers, quote unquote, flexing for the gram, and they want to do the same. There are so many fitness accounts that have a huge following, and so many followers that idolize these Instagram stars and want to be like them. So if we go back to my friend Reagan Grimes' page, not really my friend by the way, over 642,000 followers. And if we check out somebody else by the name of Simon, huge following on Instagram, over 4 million followers. Posts daily about exercise, nutrition. More and more people are turning to the internet to learn more about fitness, exercise, and nutrition versus the conventional ways of doing it, like reading a book or learning from a teacher. In fact, the Pew Research Center did a study and found from 2002 to 2008, the number of internet users who have looked online for fitness information rose from 36% to 52%. Now that's over a decade ago. If you can imagine in the past 10 years how far our technology's advanced, you can probably imagine how far this number has gone. So now that we've seen how social media has turned the fitness industry into the behemoth that it is today, let's look at how Instagram is helping the fitness industry's business marketing and products. We turn back to our friend Simon's page. We can see these small icons with titles underneath them, like Fat Burn Extreme, Six Pack Extreme, Max Gain Extreme, and Just Lift. Now these are just like stories that you and I post every day on Instagram, but unlike ours, these don't disappear after 24 hours. If you click on this one, for example, from 8 weeks ago, he's marketing his new apparel. And if you see down here on the bottom it says swipe up, that has to do with the mobile app. And when you swipe up, it gives you a chance to shop online. Now this one is also 8 weeks old, but marketing a new workout program. Same concept though, if you swipe up, you can learn more about it. Now aside from just posting about his brands and the ones he is sponsored by, Simon's account also has a feature that is pretty new. You can't yet see it on the desktop view, but I'm sure plenty of us have seen it on the mobile version of the app, and they're called shoppable photos. Like I said, it's not offered on the desktop view, but on the mobile app, this photo here is a shoppable one. The Just Lift belt is for sale for €32.99, and the wristband that you can see here is for sale for €6.99. Now on the mobile version of the app, these photos look similar to photos that people are tagged in, but instead of there being a little icon of a person in the corner, there's a shopping bag to indicate that there are items for sale on this picture, as we see here. Gives you the price. Alright, let's go back here. When you notice the icon and click on the picture, the shoppable items are shown with their prices and small details. So just like the one I pulled up here, it would say Just Lift weight belt and Just Lift wristband, as well as their prices. Now this feature is still new and is not available for everyone. However, these marketing tools are available to a select few. To do so, you must qualify, and I'd like to show you guys a video on how you do so. This can be found right on Instagram's website, and the video pretty much shows you how to turn your Instagram profile into a business profile. It's pretty much just telling you to go to your settings and then switch to business profile. Continue through Facebook.
Once everything is correct, tap Done to save your Instagram business profile and settings. Now that your business profile is set up, your customers can contact you directly through your profile. You can also view followers' insights and promote your posts, all within the app.
Alright guys, so now that I've shown you how Instagram and social media is turning fitness into a huge thing, and also shown you how they are helping people market their products, I'd like you to be more aware and just be on the lookout for new things that pop out on the daily. Thank you guys.